G'day folks, just going to give you a bit of a tomato review. I got a couple of tomatoes ripe on my orange strawberry vine, so we'll go over and pick them off and slice them up and take a look at them. Now this is the orange strawberry vine. It's a tall vine, fruit are medium to large size. As with a lot of large fruiting tomato vines, you don't get a lot of fruit of it. I've picked 2, and there's 2, 4, 6, 7 more to go on it. It's a tall vine, taller than me, so we'll pick them off and take a look at them. What do you reckon? Take a look at them. You can see why they got their name. They're pointed ends on the fruit. This right one shows it a bit better. You can see that point on the bottom. I'm guessing whoever named it thought, well, that looks like a strawberry. I'm going to call it an orange strawberry. Well, I'll cut a slice off of it and I'll give you a look at it. Yeah, not too many seed pockets. And the flesh is soft. I'll give it a taste test. Yummy, not bad. A little bit of sweetness and just fruity in the background. And very juicy. Definitely a nice tomato, well worth growing. It's the orange strawberry. Thanks for watching, folks.